Vestas IT is definitely a key player in creating business value. We're seeing a lot of initiatives coming from IT to try and empower the production and trying to empower the business to actually play in the market as it's going forward. For us in the IT department, one of the ways that we're trying to keep the business value in mind is, for instance, going out from the IT department, going out to actually visiting the production sites, visiting the factories, not just talking to ourselves and to the architects and to the strategists, but actually being on the production floor and coming out from IT, seeing that, knowing we can help you guys by automating this process. We can make the documents available to you digitally. We can automate some of the authentication flow. There's a whole host of things that we can bring out there. And us bringing the technical knowledge that we have and them bringing the knowledge about the factory and the production process and bringing those two things together is where we can play a key role in actually making sure that the business moves forward. Citrix plays a large role in pushing this out because in making systems available for 130 countries in a traditional IT setup and by doing maybe local installation on laptops and stuff like that is just not going to happen, right? So having, for instance, Senap, where we can do centrally managed application, publishing them through a protocol that's actually able to run on fairly low bandwidth, is key to getting these applications out to the end user and making them available across the world.
Security is a very important question for us because Vestas has a lot of intellectual property. All this property is key to us. But I think that using Sun Mobile and Sun App and Sun Desktop, we are actually able to create a secure way to access the data and have people working without security having to have all those headaches. Yeah.
One of the issues we've had, for instance, is our engineering department sourcing engineering tasks, CAD tasks, that kind of thing, to people in different countries. One of the ways we're trying to solve this is by utilizing HDX 3D. We're trying to create a solution where we can present an HDX 3D capable workstation instantaneously to a third-party contractor. Now, not just from a security perspective, that is a major step forward, right? Because we can keep all intellectual properties within our own borders. So we can keep it in the data center. We can make sure they can only access specifically what they're supposed to be working on.
People have a very strong opinion of how they want to work. And actually getting some of the younger people out and into our company introduces new ways of working because they are not accustomed to using a laptop or a Windows PC or something like that. So they have been using iPads and mobile phones. So actually giving them a way to work that they are satisfied with to keep them in our company, that's quite a challenge right now.
Work is something you do, it's not a place. And supporting that is very much also the strategy for Vestas IT, saying that we want our employees and we want our IT people to be as productive as they possibly can be, regardless of location or preference. So lifting the employee away from traditional bound IT and allowing them to work in a way that actually makes them the most productive they can be.